race. The red lights are on. Off they go, and a good start, as you might expect, on his own from the front row for Gary Watson. But Simon Alloway absolutely rocketing off the grid, gets away in second, but it's Watson who leads from the front row in number 54.
Yes, it is from the front row. Gary Watson then. So now making the race a bit. It took a while this morning to really make an impression in this yellow Esprit VS. This time much earlier for Gary Watson. So Gary Watson, the leader, into Westfield, the white Westfield. In second place, Simon Alloway in the Esprit, and in third place, 44, Philip Duncan Westfield.
Those three having moved away from the rest of the field already. So Watson, Alloway and Duncan out ahead of the rest of the grid. They are headed by the number 1 BMW of Dennis Crompton. So Crompton is in 4th place as we wait to see the leaders re-emerge from barn. And 20 minutes and 1 lap.
Oh, Gary's way in front, isn't it?
Laps in this morning, and it's Watson in the lead, Alloway second, Duncan in third. They are over the line and gone before we get number 1, Dennis Crompton. Then we get the Ultimate next up, and then we do have a huge Cadwell Park.
Then Joe Spencer starting from the back, and Redding up the Ultimate is still in front. So Joe Spencer has got in now. He takes the Ultimate on the inside under brake.
How many you overtook so far?
They come back towards the mountain. That's another place.
Yeah.
So Joe Spencer now up into 5th. And we'll chart his progress. The leaders are already out of my sight into the Hall Bends. This is going to be the completion of lap number 2. Gary Watson, the leader this morning, leads now from Simon Alloway and Philip Duncan as they go past pretty noisily as well. And we wait then for Dennis Crompton to appear in number 1, and he, I think, very soon will actually. To start this race, but Joe is there in 5th place.
Fascinating to see the power go down on the Simon Alloway SV8, and he's taking touchdown of the third lap of the race, Simon Alloway. Time round. I think this is on a 15 minute
Let me just check that. It's, yeah, you're right, 15. I was saying 20, wasn't I? But it's a 15 one. So the first one was 20, this one is just 15. So we also get the 14 laps out of this. Leaders have already gone into the Hall Bends. And having said that though, the countdown is turning into 15 minutes to go. Russell says, Watson goes through, Alloway in second, Duncan in third, and the timing screen is telling me we've still got 15 minutes of the race left to run. So although it says 15 minutes altogether on our programme sheet,
that Dennis had come off?
Now, what's happening here with the Esprit? He's right on the tail as they ran into Park, the right-hander, at the end of the straight, which of course favours the V8 massively.
Is that George behind him?
They were very close indeed.
They've got a clutch.
Somebody's come off into the left there. Dennis went straight off into the back corner in the tree.
The yellow Esprit is Randy Davis, the nimble Western